you're on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, X, or YouTube and you want to be notified whenever your favorite content creator drops a particular update, you don't need to ask to be tagged in that video. That would be selfish on your side and suicidal on his side. This is what you need to do to get notified each time he or she makes a post. On TikTok, go to the creator's profile. Tap on the bell icon at the top right corner and select all for posts and all for live. On Instagram, open the creator's profile. Turn on the bell icon at the top right corner and turn on notifications for posts, stories, reel or live as you wish. On Facebook, you have to open Facebook in a browser in desktop format. Then open the creator's page. Tap on like or follow depending on which one he has. Select favorite under follow settings and under notification, select video and select all notifications. On X, go to the creator's profile. Tap on the bell icon beside following and select all posts. On YouTube, open the creator's channel. Tap on subscribed and select all. Now that you know how to turn on notification, go ahead and turn on notification for my video on how to make money using other people's video and the WhatsApp trick that you all are waiting for to know when they drop. Let me know if you have turned on notification and ready for the videos in the comment. Like and share this with others and follow for more.